Okay, just checking the mic. Thanks for the follow, X2590. So, oh my god. Turned off the little fan over here because it's gonna point right into the mic, but so I'm not quite sure how I'm doing this yet. I'm gonna be using a little bit of the. I did get the capture card to work, so uh, using a little bit of the Mac, but I might actually continue doing the coding on this machine. I'm sorry, the Windows machine, the one I'm looking at, because that's where I started it. I don't know. We'll see. I might use the Mac because it's already set up. Like that's what I always use, and I was having to get my environment set up last time. Okay, so hold on, open up. Yeah, I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this, like I said, because I usually look at the chat on my Mac over here, and then I'm going to be going back and forth. We'll see. Oh, did I not change the... Oh, shit, I didn't. I didn't change the title. I might actually, like, stop and restart the stream so that it doesn't have that. I guess it doesn't matter, because I can change it later. It doesn't matter. Whatever. Sorry. It's been a long day. I'm really tired. Like, yeah, I guess I started doing this and I didn't finish. Twitch website. I guess that's misleading. Might make people think that I'm making it like another website like Twitch. Streamer. Words are hard. Website. Oh, and I'm certain I changed that. I did change that. I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't save it or something. I have no idea. Take off outdoors. Okay. Cool. So, yes. Move this over here. And I'm sure that most likely the 3 people who are watching right now aren't may not have been here last time I was doing this. Shit. Came unplugged. Pulling it too tight. Okay. I was having issues with the DNS, and as usual, I missed something. But so yes. God damn it. So I actually have to have that resolution, like everything looks really fucking big on my screen, just for it to be big enough to really like read the text on the video. Password manager. What was I gonna pull up? Yes. Oh yeah. So I was going to show some of the config stuff too. I kind of wish I had done all of that, because it would have been like a cool demo. I guess I can kind of go through it. So like, I think Apache was already, well, I don't, yeah, Apache was probably already installed because this is a Lightsail server that I have, and often you configure Apache to just point to like /var www /html. And that was the way I did it for a long time, but I also learned that you can just create like users. You don't actually have to have a user account, I don't think, but essentially it's a user, like /home, like it has a home directory and everything, and inside the home directory you can create like a, well, I mean, you can really have it point to anywhere on your computer. So setting up multiple domains, websites on the same server, because that was something I didn't know how to do for a while, I guess, after I started doing web development. So, yes, the Apache file. CD, and it is just the Apache. Oh, yeah, then. This is kind of awkward. This desk is not quite the right height for the height of this chair. Yes. And this was a step that I missed. That's why it's showing this, is that I have to also add here. Let's see, put this over. Looks better. So I have one, as you can see, like a user basically for each of my websites, Kimberly.codes, which is actually now the same as KimberlyTheGeek.com. It used to be something different. I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep Kimberly.codes. But I need to create another entry for, and this one's old actually, a code above. That was the name of my freelance web development company that I did for, I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 months before I got this job. So when I do this and then restart Apache, it should, keyword should, change the you don't have permission to access, blah, 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 blah. Oh, missed. Home, what did I call it? Did I just call it Twitch? Let me see. Shit. I wonder if I can SSH in twice. Probably. Maybe. Okay, I guess so. Yeah, just Twitch. And usually the way, I don't know if it's probably not like the best way to do it, but I, develop a website locally, and put it in a Git repo, and then just SSH in and like pull down the changes. I mean, it works pretty well. I don't know how a lot of other people do it, but that's my process. So I will need to do that because right now, yeah, all the code is on the Windows machine. So we'll probably need to have it on the Mac too, because I'm sure I'll be doing some kind of development. But all of the graphics files that I've done, I did on the Windows machine. So I guess I could include those in the repo. That would be a good idea, actually. So yeah, I'm just copying exactly what because they're all configured the same. So, directory. Okay. Sudo. Hold on. Sudo. Okay. Sudo service Apache 2 restart. And did I actually, let me see, I don't know if I like put anything in the public HTML file yet. Twitch. Okay. It worked. So I don't think I'm going to continue working locally, but I just kind of wanted to make sure that I got the URL working, because I was having issues with that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I need to switch to this one because all the code's on here, and at least make a Git repo and stuff like that. So I'm gonna a mouse. It's gonna be kind of awkward, like moving this laptop and stuff around. But so just hide that for now and add. I guess I'll just capture the whole screen. Sorry for this. I know it's annoying to have the. Okay. Just open chat over here so that I can see. Okay, where did I put it? Oh, right here. Cool. Is that not where I put it? Let's see. Ugh. Two-factor auth. It never does like the whole remember this computer for 30 days. It doesn't do that. Yeah. Even if I'm doing it on the same computer, it doesn't remember it. Whatever. So htdocs, that's where I put it. Oh yeah, yeah. So I didn't have to figure anything else. So yes, back to the. Make this a little bigger. Probably can't actually see that text, can you? Cool. Still kind of small. Sorry, I wasn't really paying attention last time I was doing this, but watching the video later, couldn't really see very well. So I just have to make everything ginormous. So, repo. Auto loan payment calculator. Now you guys know what the last thing I was doing on here was. Well, at least it wasn't something else. Another two-factor auth. I mean, I appreciate the security, but it's annoying sometimes. So I don't think I made one yet. I don't think I did. Because I was just doing everything with mumbling. Yes, and that's another thing I need to work on. Because I know sometimes when I watch the recordings, I can't even understand what I'm saying. And I'm the one that said it. Or I don't, I have no idea. Sorry, I'm tired. So, copy the repo git whatever thingy. Let's make sure this is right. No, cd sig drive c x amp htdocs. Git init, git remote add origin, and then the URL, and that does not. Git add -a, which is just adding all the files. CRL for I was talking about line endings. I think that's because I'm on Windows and things are different. Git commit. Do I have a README? I probably don't. -m initial commit. Oh yeah, I need the set up all that shit. Ow. Cause yeah, I'm gonna have to put a key in, like an API key for the CLI access. It's just a security thing set up on my GitHub account. So my GitHub user, I always forget what my email is on here. I have too many emails. Because I had like several for the web development stuff that I was doing, and I don't know, it's just have one from when I was married that I still just haven't gotten everything. I mean, I think most everything is off of that, but I don't know, still have it open. Settings, primary, email at Kimberly.codes. Yeah, I've been thinking a lot about just getting rid of the Kimberly.codes and keeping KimberlyTheGeek.com. Because that's what my username is on everything. Everything except BattleNet, sorry. Because it was too long. Kimberly the Geek was too long. And I think yeah. 1 second, guys. Don't need to see this. That's a recovery code. No, there's something like a. Let's see. Open my vault. I don't remember how I did this last time. It's been a few months since I had to set up a new CLI. Personal access token. That's what it is. So, do I just do it again and it will add? Git push origin master. Huh. Okay. This is weird. I've never. I had to think about it for a second, just to be sure. I have never used Git on a Windows machine, and I'm just going to show you. I don't know if you guys are coders or code on Windows, but this is what popped up. Like, I typed this in the command line, and a window pops up. That's so funny that you're doing something in the command line, and it opens a GUI interface, whatever. Kimberly Geek. The Geek. And password. Copy password. Gatsby. I don't know what Gatsby is, actually. Ugh. Excuse me. Whoa. I've never heard of this. I could. I already kind of started something, but I didn't get that far. Like, I think literally that's on there. All that's on there right now is, yeah, this code copied from Bootstrap. Let me see. I'll close that one for now. Hmm. Sure, why not? I can just create a branch, and so I don't have to like completely delete what I already have. Not that it's anything to worry about, but yeah, I just use create React app. That's what I've. You can generate sitemaps. So cool. Yeah, it says it uses React, so it's based on React. The only thing like that that I knew of was the Create React app, which I mean it's okay, but it would be nice to have something faster because a lot of what you do is gonna be kind of the same. So plugins and stuff too. Pre-configured. Oh, see, this is what I was hoping for. I kind of what I think about every time I start a new React app. So thank you. That's another good thing about doing stuff like this is people, you learn shit. People tell me about frameworks and languages I've never heard of. Starter default. Because really, all I haven't looked at the Twitch API that much. At least not for like accessing a stream. The stuff that I was doing was all the IRC stuff. So the chats, the streamer channels it's all IRC under the hood, all the chat stuff. And I was trying to write my own overlay to chat overlay, basically. So fetch the IRC logs and display them on your stream. So that's really the only part of the docs that I looked at. Is that right? Okay. Afraid to stream coding. Yeah, didn't you say that last time? Static site keys come from S3 Netlify instead of having your own server. Huh. Yeah, well, I mean, I already have my own server, so I'm not really worried about that part. So yeah. Yeah, and I kept forgetting about the moderator thing. Like people kept telling me that I need to do that. And I didn't realize it was something already built in. So hopefully there's less conflict than there was has been previously. It just reminded me because I looked at chatbot. Bleh. Embedding Twitch. Chat and player. Yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, I was sure they had something like that where you could embed the live stream. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Like on the main. Yeah, that doesn't sound too great. Like maybe in the middle, just have something like that with the live stream and chat if I'm online, but if I'm not, to display maybe the most recent, like an embedded video of the most recent clip, or maybe the most recent highlight specifically, and show other clips. That's kind of, yeah, I don't know. That'd basically be the center of it, and maybe either on another page or just the same page. Just basically all the information that's on my profile. Maybe some other stuff. I don't know. So let's see. Hmm. Let's see what the quick start looks like. Intermediate to, let's see, so happy medium between the two. Using a starter. That's probably what I want to do. Well, I don't know. I'm sure there's something that's kind of like what I'm aiming for. I seemed like there was a lot. Starter library. Official default starter. Yeah, let's do it. Categories. Filtered. Photon one looks alright. Are these in order of popularity? Blog. Or maybe this one. This is more basic, it seems like. Uh, it's just a pretty basic blog, so. And actually, it used to be WordPress, like a theme that a custom theme, and some I don't know. It used to be more styled. Now I think I like it better now. It's more simple. I do need to fix the not accessibility. Sorry, responsiveness, because it looks pretty bad on a small screen, and it cuts off like these. But I don't know. I like it. It's clean, and yeah, easier. I don't know. It makes it easier to focus on the content. There's just less distractions. So. I forgot what I was doing. Demo. So this is a static site created with a static site generator. Hugo. Oh wait. Yeah. GoHugo.io. And I don't know if mine are actually written in Markdown. I think I did stick with the Markdown. So yeah, you can write blog posts in Markdown, and it's, I don't know, it's pretty easy. It's Hugo new, basically, and it generates like, it's pretty basic. I interned with them, and I work for them now, full time. About a year and a half full time. So, New post. God damn it! Somebody's screaming in there. Create a new site. I don't know. It's on here somewhere, but it's pretty easy. I like it, and like most stuff like that, you have to do a build, and then it generates all the files, and that's what you upload to your site. So, did I already open it? Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I mean that's. Yeah, I like that. I mean, I'll probably change all the styles up a little bit. I mean, I like the overlay, but maybe just change the background. And then just put my shit here. Yeah, I've been wanting to. Oh, nice. Yeah, I didn't finish school. The internship. Yeah. Are you in the Discord? No, you're not. Hey, spoof. Gatsby. I mean, you could technically do exactly what I'm doing right here. And just type that. Oh, can you not see? Oh, my window just cut off. Yeah, I mean, you can kind of see it. Let's see. I've never seen the .sh domain, whatever the fuck it's called. .sh. I've never seen that before. So back to how to generate a site using a starter. Cool. Homebrew, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so is that on? It's not too small, I don't think. Oh, shit, it's making this bigger. Oh, I guess, never mind. Kind of annoying though. Can you close that? No? Yeah, whatever. I have shortcuts on my Mac, so sometimes I forget. Get branch dash. No, it's not dash D. It's GCP. Get checkout. Okay, yes. Get checkout. Dash B. I think that's right. Sorry, it's been a while since I actually typed the whole thing out. Gatsby. Yes. Okay. Cool. So basically, dash RF. Everything. It shouldn't take that long. That's concerning. Oh, god damn it. Oh, wait, no, that's right. Okay, sorry. For a second, I thought I was in the wrong directory. I was like, what did I do? No. Okay. I guess it wouldn't matter because it's on Git. I guess I could have kept it doesn't really matter. So I'll delete everything except the package.json file, so I don't have to do that again. So git rm. Sorry, that's annoying. Shit. Oh, that is the directory. -rf. I'm pretty tired, actually. I mean, I'm good. I'm just tired. I went out last night and I don't know, I was dancing for a while, but it just hasn't been that great lately. I live in a pretty small town and it's a tourist town, so Durango, Colorado. It's a ski town, but also in the summertime, there's a lot of people that come here for like the river, and there's just all kinds of stuff to do here. Anyways, when there's a bunch of tourists, it's different culture that they're bringing, and a lot of them are kind of aggressive compared to people who live here. A lot of them from Texas. No offense if you're from Texas, just saying. So I stayed out for a little bit, but I ended up just or stayed out dancing for a little bit. Ended up going to a brewery and drinking, and it got later and later, and then all of a sudden, none of the or when I called for a cab, none of the cab services were answering, which was weird. They didn't even answer the phone. One of them, yeah, I think like the line was disconnected or some shit like that. Yeah. So there's only like three in this tiny little town. So open Visual Studio, um, package.json. It's probably gonna. I don't know if I need to remove those. It would if I when I install Gatsby, it would install React anyways. But I don't know if the version matters. Probably not. Oh, globally. Why globally? Oh, Jesus, sorry, that was loud. You scared me. Thank you, Slater USA. I need to turn that shit down. It's way louder than the music. I guess I need to turn the PC. Oh, I had the volume turned up way up earlier. I was trying to get a break from the kids and put on my headphones and turn the music all the way up. So, it's better. Oh, that's cool. Hey, Slater, how are you doing? Gatsby CLI. Oh, I guess I probably do need to delete everything. Maybe. Because when you do Gatsby new, it's going to create a package.json file anyways. Why am I all of a sudden starving? That's the thing, it's going to create... So I'll just do... Oh, God. Yeah, I can only imagine, Slater. Oh. Policemen on horses? Holy shit. Yeah, it can get kind of rough here, surprisingly, for a small town. Bootstrap a new project for you like Create Rep does, Hints Global. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. New. I'll just call it the same thing and just copy everything into this directory after it generates it. So I have to get the, what was it called? Dimension? So it says you just need the GitHub URL, I guess. Crusty bed sheets, gross. If that's all it were. I can only imagine. worn. Gatsby develop. Okay. Okay. Still running. Hmm. Um. Mountain View. Or are you talking about San Francisco? Yeah. Because the main, yeah, the main office is technically the Mountain View office. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was thinking Mountain View, but then I said Mountain View, but then I thought about it for a second. I'm like, no, it's not. It's not a tourist town. It's a suburb. But I got to go there for the first time in April or something like that. Okay, so ls and just copy dash r. Yep, they do. So yeah, like if I order business cards, that's what it shows on the card. I mean, I think you might be able to pick the address of the office that you use, but like if you, it's considered the primary office, I believe. It's actually bigger, nicer. I mean, as you can imagine, it's much cheaper office, much cheaper real estate. Yeah, I think if you look at Mozilla's address, headquarters. Yep. Yeah, I mean, both of the offices are really cool. Like I said, I like the Mountain View one because it was a lot bigger and had a lot of cool stuff in it. But yeah, they have. Uh, why are these things taking so long? I don't get that. Is it that big? Well, that's kind of the point, right? It's to chat while I'm doing this. Well, I'm waiting on this anyways. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, but they have all kinds of like all fucking kinds of snacks and on like every level of their office, and they like have all these just drinks and stuff that you can just grab, like fucking chips and snacks and healthy stuff. Like they have fresh berries in each kitchen, um, on each floor. Each kitchen or each floor has a kitchen. What? No. Well, we have an office in Germany. Red Bull, coffee. I'm not super into it. I've only had it once, but it was like, what is that weird green tea people drink? I don't know. Matcha? Long does it take me to run mountain bike? What the fuck is taking so long? It cannot possibly be that big. Matcha. Yeah, and I think they have kombucha. Nope. I work remotely, no office in Colorado. We do have a lot of people. I say a lot. About half the company's remote. So anytime you have more than like, I don't know, 6 people in one city, it's a lot. But they are in a co-working space. I think there's like maybe a dozen. I have no idea. Yeah, and you can just fucking grab that shit, and and the catered lunches every day, um, and like vending machines for like extra chargers and you know adapters and stuff for your computers, and you just use your badge to get it. So lots of snacks. Yes. Um, did it work? Okay. Directory. Um, advice for working remote. Uh, over communicate. This is the main thing. Like when someone tells you what to do, gives you a project or a task or whatever, you want to have a very clear idea of what they want. Um, because yeah, if it's a lot more difficult to, I guess, just the communication is harder when you're not in person, and your only reference for like someone's personality or communication style is through text or like an occasional video conference. Um, it's just people, everyone uses language differently, and or uses different language, and yeah, over communicate. Find the resources that you need. Like when I say resources, people, like find out what everyone's background is, like specialties, so that you kind of know who to go for when you need help in a certain area. Uh, I hate developing in Windows 2. Actually, I was planning on doing it on my Mac, and I didn't have the capture card set up right last time, and so I started this on here. But I'm trying to figure out the best way to set it up because this desk is not. It's kind of small, so it gets cramped. But yeah, I prefer. Mac is based on Unix, so it's pretty much it's like a proprietary Linux, so it's well supported. um, back to what I was doing. So what is it? Gatsby develop. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to be. Oh, I'm on. Oh, never mind. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I keep confusing myself. Because I've been doing a lot of work where I'm like RDPing into Windows and shit like that, and using Cygwin, and I don't know. Yeah, I didn't really think of that. Um, what I want to just install Linux on this machine right now, though, with the games that I mean, I only have a few games installed, but they're all big. I need to get a new hard drive because I've used up almost all the space. I didn't get one that was very big. I just, uh, you know. Hmm. Cool. How big of a team is it? Team. Company. Hmm. Yeah, I was actually thinking about. Oh, I have been thinking about making new graphics for my Twitch stuff, but I'm not sure. I could do that while I wait. It just seems like there's gonna be a lot of waiting just getting this set up. Oh no, it is running. Oh god, I'm so fucking stupid. Sorry, I'm completely out of it right now. Like I said, I couldn't get a cab back to fucking home last night. I was up until I don't know, like fucking 4 o'clock, and uh, slept for a little bit at a friend's house and drove home at like 6:30. So Fortune 100. So I take it it's a big company. So hmm. Do I already have a code formatter installed? Uh, these icons are not intuitive to me. Oh no, I don't have anything installed because I just set this environment brunch. No, I didn't. I just came straight home and tried to sleep, but with four kids who are 8 and under, it was very brief spurts of sleep throughout the entire day. I mean, there's a period I think where Margaret took a nap, and I was able to kind of sleep for a longer period of time. But yeah, sorry, yeah. Install, what is it? Prettier. Yeah, I don't know what I have on the Mac. I don't know if I have a linter or anything like that. Using Gatsby starters. Sorry. I am hungry though. I mean, I ate a lot more today than I did yesterday, but still not enough. And it was all bad food. Oh, crap. Okay, I'm gonna go check real quick because I think I heard someone screaming. Yeah, uh, especially as a single mom. My ex husband helps a lot. Like, he watches them when I'm working and, like once or twice a week at night so I can go out and just get out of the house. But they're at my house every night. So yeah, I will be right back and take this opportunity to maybe grab some snacks. Just make sure there's no blood or poop. I don't know if you know anything about any of you have had kids or toddlers. I'm sure some of you have kids. Um, there's a stage where toddlers, babies, learn how to take off their diaper, uh, but they still don't know anything about, or yeah, know how to use the potty. So, taking off diapers, like clean diapers, whether it's clean or dirty, peeing on the floor, pooping on the floor, sometimes laying in your poop. Thankfully, she hasn't done that. But yes, there was poop on the floor today when I was trying to get some sleep. So that was fun. Okay, I will be back in probably less than 5 minutes. Unless there is blood, in which you should be concerned. Uh, Sorry for the uh, nested shit. Okay, be right back. Sorry about that. I only have one monitor for the for this computer. I had multiple monitors, but they are for work, and I moved all my work stuff to my office downtown. So, and I decided to get well, a nice monitor. It's not like that big, but it was like, God, how much did I pay for it? It was at least 200, and I didn't want to fucking drop more than that right now. So. Oh, okay. I do not need this. I don't even need that. Okay. Open source. It's kind of annoying to have the text this big because I can only see like this much of the code. But at least you can kind of see it on the stream. I guess that's one reason to have a bigger monitor. Whatever. Hmm. Hmm. Let's start it back up. Trying to get this open without everything flying all over the place. Yeah, I guess for now I won't worry too much about styling. We'll go ahead and change the background, but I guess go ahead and look at the API and just not really worry about this stuff right now, but replace the center part with a live stream. I don't know. With this, it would be cool to have it pop up to. Yeah, whatever. I'll just fuck around. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be the end result right away or whatever. Figure out as I go along. And where's that? Figure out where the background is. It's probably just in the CSS somewhere. So I wonder how this CSS is, how it's compiled. Like, does that happen automatically if you change these files, or do you need to do anything special? I wonder if they have any any docs for the theme itself. For that part of it. Oh, how did I do that? Oh, it's right here. Oh, no, it's not. It's mine. Change the title. Okay. SAS. How to use. I would think that it would, if that would probably do it automatically. Okay. Too many icons. Oh, yeah, I could just inspect the page. Duh. Oops. Oh, BG. So that's the gradient. So this is being set. Oh. Oh, right. That's not gonna help me. Because it's. Base. Components. Layout. Okay, so it's just the file. I'll just replace that. Okay. Hey, live stream. How are you doing? What are the dimensions? 1920, 1280. Yeah, I was thinking about redoing some of my overlay stuff and maybe doing it slightly different. It's very similar, but slightly different. And using this background instead of the one that I'm... That's not the one I'm using now, is it? No, I don't think it is. No, because it was called Mesh or something like that. So... One second. Huh. I think I just heard my door close. It's probably one of the older kids. Sorry. It was my fault. It was muted. You guys just have to get used to that because I do that all the time. What the fuck are they doing? God damn it. I would be right back. What is that right there? Huh. Is there a window hidden? These kids, I swear. Can you hear? Can you hear me now? I mean, was it just the mic that you couldn't hear? Export JPEG. To what was it? Assets, source assets, images. Oh, maybe it wasn't. Oh no, it's not in assets. Just in source images. So main. So this is it, right? Hmm. Does have quite a lot of uh, code in here that I don't know what it's doing. Which, that's the one thing I don't like about. I guess the main thing I don't like about boilerplate code is I do like to understand what it's doing and understand how to change it. But also, I don't want to like create a React app from scratch every fucking time. So this is hmm. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. So where is the main blah 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 blah. Oh, did it? Oh, I stopped it. Hmm. Hold on a second. old oldest had a nosebleed, but he's autistic, so he doesn't talk a lot. And often when he needs something, he doesn't. Yeah, he didn't say anything, so he was just like walking around, and I just could just hear his footsteps. So this is so big. I don't like the code this big. I still don't see where the like main thing. I wonder if it shows it in the. Oh, sorry, not wrong window. Um, and the yeah, because I don't see a. Oh, okay. I didn't see this page. It's probably because everything's so big. I can't fucking read it. I guess I don't necessarily have to have the text that fucking big. But hi from the second page. Hmm. Oh, which one? Wrong window. Hmm. Ah, okay. Hot. GraphQL. I don't know. I mean, I kind of like this, but it seems like it might. I don't know. There's a lot to learn because I don't really need like GraphQL for stuff like that. But hmm. Yeah, it's probably just because everything is so big. I was having a hard time finding it. This is what I was looking for. Okay. Oh, wrong one. And I guess this is doing anything with APIs on live stream makes me a little nervous because it's always kind of a pain learning exactly how to like authenticate or um, format a request or just use the API correctly because even APIs that are well documented don't often have a lot of don't usually have like code examples of how you actually make the call, which can be frustrating. So they document everything the thing can do, but not a lot of examples on what the actual request should look like. A unique ID to your page. Oh, okay. Language matters. I was reading that completely differently. Just with a unique ID. IDs should always be unique. Twitch embed JavaScript file. Oh, Where are all of these put? Are we an index, maybe? Main. No, this just starts at header. Yeah, I don't know if that's where I should. I don't know if I'm supposed to be editing that file. I'm gonna make this a little smaller too. Adding. Wait, what? Oh, I don't think that's what I'm looking for. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm just trying to find where the location is with all that shit. Static. I guess I could just try throwing it in there. But just because it's formatted like all in one line, I don't think this is where I'm supposed to be putting it. I don't know if this file is going to change. I don't really know how this thing works. Okay. Static folder. Oh. But I don't really want to have to. Ugh. I guess I can do that. What was it again? What was it? Twitch embed. Oh, shit, I need to. Is it just static? I guess I need to look at that. I guess I should just do it in like the main file or header file, maybe. Oh. Assets folder. Oh, so I'm in the wrong directory. See, it's in the exam. I keep forgetting it because I created the workspace on my home drive, in my home folder, and I'm not using that. Oh, I guess that was when I was doing it differently though. Because I was actually thinking about doing a like something even more basic without React or anything, but yeah, I can just copy these over actually. Source assets. What? Oh, there isn't. Let me just go back to this window real quick. What? Oh, it's too many windows. Is there an? Oh, there is an index.js. Yeah. I'll just do it here, I guess. See if it works. Is that how? It would be an include statement, wouldn't it? Not import. I'm just doing the file because I'm not like. I guess I'll go look back at the. I wonder if there's any package, like an npm package specifically, like a wrapper for React for the embed Twitch. Probably not. Well, I shouldn't say that. There's a good chance. React. I forgot to change this. Yeah, it doesn't supply npm packages. You want to be able to. Fucking pain. I should just be able to like put it in the. Ugh. Whatever. It's weird that you have to fucking include, even have a JavaScript file in order to import. You should just be able to hit an API or something like that. I mean, well, no, I guess it makes sense. Whatever. Sexy knee. Oh, yeah. Yeah, an own project. um. Yeah. That's what I figured would be the index.html file, but it's like a minified HTML file. Whatever, I guess I'll just put it there. Fuck it. It's here somewhere. Public, yeah, that's what it was. Should be modified. So. Oh, nobody different in React though, huh? So import Twitch. Oh yeah, I guess I could do it that way. I wasn't really looking that closely at the code, so let's see, where am I gonna be putting it? Was it the? It was just in the header. So import Twitch from. Where am I now? I don't remember if I have to put that. I think I do. When you're doing it from a file like that. So is that? Twitch embed. Oh, gotcha. So maybe in, what is it? Component did mount. Oh, this is like a. The way they. Oops, didn't finish that component. So there's extends. Oops. They basically did a shorthand way of creating a component. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't. There are a lot of different ideas I'm throwing around about how it should look or what I'm gonna put on there. So, just kind of messing around right now. Okay, get rid of this. Is it even using props? Oh, it is using props. So how do you... I forget. I don't do React that often, so... a lot of things I don't remember. So, just this. Okay. And... what is it? Component did mount. So, component did mount and then called the JavaScript. Oh, I need to... Class name inner. I guess I could just use this one. ID equals... Yeah, whatever. Twitch embed is fine. Cannot fucking type. Fat fingers. Just copy. It's referencing props. So, yeah. How you, I guess I should have said hi first. Hi, Londief. That should work, theoretically. Let's see. I'm gonna close this. I do not need that running. Okay. Is it running right now? It's not running. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna move this. Because I keep wanting to do it in the home directory and move to... Doesn't matter. Whatever. See if it worked. Oh. It did transfer some of them, just not all, just not that one. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I forget. Whatever. cd/home. install maybe, since it doesn't have the node modules. Yeah, so I could just not be so vain where everybody has to see my face. You can kind of see the curtain. Yeah, that made it worse. I was trying to move it so that you couldn't see that corner of the desk, but it's fine. It's kind of bunched up on this side, so I don't really feel like fucking with it. Okay. Okay. Hmm. There is an. Oh. It looks like the last time it was updated was 2 years ago. I wonder if it works. Hmm. Well, seems to be working. Give it a shot. Oh, okay, so kind of. Yeah, that social media bar, I need to make it smaller so it doesn't cover up so much at the bottom. Okay, yeah, I'll just leave it right here. Oh, I didn't save it. Oh, yeah. Open. Open the directory. Components. There's the header, right? So instead of this, let's do this. I'd like to actually look at this code to see how he's doing this. did I start it again? Oh, I didn't. Um, I. So what month is this? Oh, well, I've been a full-time employee actually for almost 2 years. I said a year and a half earlier, but I was hired in November. Ooh. Oh, it's not quite August. I was thinking of August. So yeah, about a year and a half as a full-time employee. And right before that, sorry. I was an intern for 3 months. They had, there is the Gnome Foundation has an internship program for underrepresented groups in tech, and it's one of the few, well, it's the only one that I know of, only internship program where you don't have to be a college student or recently college student. Oh, because I wasn't a student. I hadn't been in school for years, and oh, this, get rid of that. So it worked well for me, because it was just really hard to get started after leaving school and being a stay-at-home mom. 5 years, having no experience. It's awesome. I love working for Mozilla. Um, honestly, it still blows my mind that I work there. Uh, when we have these work weeks every 6 months, we all go to the same locations. It changes every time, and I'm just this last one. It's in June. In June and January, and this last one, it just like hit me. I'm walking around with these a lot of very well-known developers, and just a very for the size of the company, it has a huge impact because Google is Google, but Google is also a huge company. Um, Mozilla only has about 1,100 full-time employees. The Mozilla Corporation. So, yeah, it's been great. Like every time I go to the work weeks, I feel like it's where I belong, I guess. So it's nice. Everyone's very passionate about what they do, and really passionate about. It's a very mission-based company. Props is undefined. Yeah. Header.js. Oh, I guess I can kind of change that back. Yeah, if there's something I'm doing wrong. It's been a while. Which fucking window am I looking for? There's too many. What is it? Const header. Props. I don't know why it's not auto-updating. Well, it may have not been updated in a long time, but it still works. So that's cool. Oh, and I guess, do I have this zoomed in? No, it is the regular size. I thought there was somewhere in the code where it sets the... Yeah, I know. I really like the animations too, and yeah, this part's pretty cool too. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's a pretty neat design. It seems like kind of big though. I'd like to make it a little smaller, but yeah, I'm undecided on what, if this should be right here or if it should be like in a thing that you open up and look at. But I can just mess around. What was the other, like, recent videos and how to embed those? Because I want to be able to, like, just fetch the most recent clips and stuff like that and display the thumbnails and stuff. Twitch API. So let me close some of this shit. I'll need all this open. Don't need any of that. And I need to change the name of the site. I don't know where that's set either. Hmm. Hmm. Whatever. I'll just do this for now. Yeah, I mean, I can. I'm trying to decide what I want it to look like. I don't know if, like, say if I'm not live, if I want this to be, like, the first thing that loads up, or if it should be, I mean, I would change the name there, or if it should be in a window that you open up. But I could show it conditionally, render conditionally. Like maybe do a check to see if I'm live, and if not, to maybe display the most recent clip. Yeah, let's see. Where's the reference? Like, extension analytics. Get user maybe. Information about one or more specified users. So, does it get, are they type? No. Get streams. That was what I was looking at before, wasn't it? Maybe it wasn't. Oh, yeah, well, don't be too impressed. I didn't. Are you talking about the one I'm working on now? Because most of that was just boiler. Like, literally the only thing I changed was adding the embedded thing, the embedded live stream, and change the background image. So I'm going to change it up a little bit more, but... So... Okay. Stream type live. Twitch API. Check if user stream is live. Whatever. I'm not a faker. I'm efficient. Yeah, I was, I don't know. I'm not sure if you were here before, sorry. When I was working on this, I was just doing a React app from scratch, and then, who was it? Oh, sorry, I didn't see Londi. Yes, a lot of it is in Python. Well, it depends on what you're talking about. Most of the work I do is in Python. Firefox is, well, it's a lot of things. C++, think there's Java, um, JavaScript. Some of the stuff like DevTools is in React. So yeah, but I was gonna do it from scratch, but I think it was Spoof that asked about Gatsby, and I saw it. I was like, that looks nice. Because I'm really not a designer. I'm a developer. I can do design. It just takes me a really, really long time, and it's frustrating. Just trying to get it to look the way I want it to look, or even just coming up with. Oh shit! I need to text her back. Fuck. Going mountain biking with a friend in the morning, maybe. I know I keep stopping in the middle of what I'm saying and then going on to something else. I need to check to see how long that ride takes me, because I have to be home, I think by 11:30, and I want to say it might be like 2 hours, and that's if she gets there on time. Yeah, I mean I enjoy it a little bit, but only to a point. Like I said, it gets frustrating for me. Where is my most? Last time I went to, what was it, Cuchillo? Stacy's Loop. Cuchillo time. I mean, I can do it in an hour and a half. It took me an hour and 23 minutes, 6.8 miles. But like I said, if they're late, and then I actually have to get home. Well, it usually, takes. Because last time, I mean, the trail that we went to last time was way out in Cortez, which is it's almost an hour from here. But she was late last time. I mean, it's whatever. Yeah, at least by 9:30. Well, I guess that means I'll have time to do something else before. Maybe go play basketball. Rec Center opens at 8, so I could have like an hour. Yeah, I don't want to do just Stacy's, because doing just Stacy's is short. It's almost like half of what doing Stacy's and Cuchillo is, and it's just like a quick ride. And I don't know. I'll go by myself if I have to, but I want to get it in. So it says, whatever. Oh wait. First 20. Oh. This isn't to get a specific user stream. This is just to get. Yeah, DevTools is in React. Sorry, I didn't see your comment. Yeah. And other things like screenshots. I don't know if you use the screenshots feature. This is in React. Lockbox, or Lockwise, I guess is what they call it now. Um, that's in React as well. Okay, client ID. Got it. User login. So, what is it? Is it in Python? It's the requests library. In React, it's what the let's see, API requests in React. So just fetch. I feel like I did it differently. I don't think I used something called fetch last time. Um, Oh, I guess it would just be the. I don't have to specify React. I'm sorry, I'm just spaced out. Yeah, it seems familiar. Yeah. Whatever, I guess I'll try to do it this way. Oh, that's what you meant by you don't have to do it in render. I've forgotten how to do everything. Isn't it like this dot props? Just set props is equal to this dot props. Yeah. Yeah, I might do that. Oh, I'll just use this dot props. Okay. Go back to what I had it before. Yeah, whatever. Right here. Damn it, fat fingers. Why is it not auto-completing for that? Hmm. weird. Component. Something I did. Just do not need that. I'm just gonna try this right now. Oh wait, it's probably not encapsulated, right? That's probably it. Okay. Stop then. And promises always get fuzzy too after it's been a while. Also, yeah. Oops. That was a function, wasn't it? Oh yeah, okay, I got that. State. Oh, it's control. Forget about that. Hold on, let me open that over here. Oh, it's not gonna show it. Duh. So I didn't have it loaded up already. Shit. Is that... Yeah, I guess I'll try it. I thought I had one open already. I have 3 of the same exact thing open. Yes, I am. Yeah, you can see. I'll show you. Where is it? Oops, wrong one. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, see, this is the other computer. This is Mac. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I was going to code on the Windows machine, which is this one, or the Mac. But since I kind of already started on this one last time, I'm just going to do that. High roller. I like it. When I was first starting to try to learn it, there were most of the like tutorials and stuff that I saw and examples or online courses. There were free ones, but I didn't really feel like any of them explained it well. S- I didn't really understand it until I took or didn't really feel like I understood it until I did the Udacity React Nano degree, and I don't know. They structured it very well, so it was a lot less confusing, and they broke it down into good, like a good, I don't know, a good structure. 'Cause some people kind of jump right in. I don't know. Literally started burning in the office. No, you're not forced to use Mac. I actually have a choice. I could use Windows, Mac, or Linux. I get to pick what machine I get. Um, they give me or whatever. But I was always coding in Linux, and well, Mac is, well, they're good computers. It's based in Unix now, so that kind of won me over actually, because I love open source and I love Linux, but Mac is going to be a lot more stable and more support. React Native. I did not complete the Nano degree, so I didn't get to the React Native part of it, but I'd kind of like to learn that stuff. Um, I don't know. Well, this isn't the same article, but forced to use Windows, but I'm a Linux guy. Yeah, see, that's the worst. Yeah, I'm sorry. On my server, that's where I'm gonna host it. Yeah, earlier I was doing some of the Apache stuff, so I got the DNS all correct finally. It's always a pain for me because I forget how to do it, and did the Apache configuration. So yeah, it's this is I have a server on Lightsail where all of my websites are hosted. Well, it is Amazon, but it's Lightsail, so it's not AWS. It's not like an EC2 instance, but yeah, it's an Amazon Cloud instance. Hmm. Wrong window. Sorry. Oh, I'm gonna save this. Hold on. Import. Was it just Axios? VDE of choice. What's VDE? Virtual development environment. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. I never think about that, to be completely honest. I've never. Well, I mean, I've never had to deal with that actually. That's a good point. I should think about that. Hmm. Yeah, it's not a big deal though. I can keep it there for now because I mean, even I'm not that popular yet, so there's not gonna be a whole lot of people looking at it. But it's I can just put it in a Git repo and change the DNS. Hold on a second. Yes, I am familiar with. Maybe I don't know. I'm familiar with Kubernetes. I like kind of. I was like reading a book and doing some of the examples, and it's a lot. Like it's kind of confusing to me, but it is something I want to learn. Yeah, exactly. Um, yeah, until I see problems with it, I'm definitely not gonna like over engineer with something like Kubernetes. If it is a problem, then yeah, for sure I would, um, look into something like that. And it's just .then, right? Because it's a promise. That might be not be best because I don't know what the format's in. Oh, it's not running. But yeah, it is always good to think about traffic and scaling because I usually don't. But I mean, the only websites I have are, I mean, it used to be the website for my web development company, um, and I have KimberlyTheGeek.com and Kimberly.codes. But right now they're the same. They used to be different, and it's just a very simple blog. Oh, I did that wrong. Oh, let me take this out. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know the shortcut for this. Hmm. It's not related. I don't have that installed. Um, I'm not sure why. Well, where that error is coming from. Oh wait, I wonder if that's why. No, 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 because it would have said something like defining the variable without. Oh, thanks, guys. Good looking out. I don't know why it's not auto reloading. Oh yeah, open that back up. Hmm. 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 Maybe. And this stuff gets confusing to me too sometimes. Like sometimes you have to put parentheses, sometimes you put in brackets, sometimes you don't do any of that. I don't think that would be it. Hmm. I'm tired. And the title still hasn't updated. I wonder if I didn't do that in the right place or something. Hmm. Oh, I didn't do. Hmm. Yeah, I did that. Hmm. Ah. Oh. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Um, it's possible. Yeah. What time is it? Oh, 10:24. Hmm. Hmm. Let me try this. My reset filters. Yeah, I was kind of wondering, like when I was looking at this, um, if I would have to use an API key. I was kind of hoping not, but let's see. Um, oh, it's the one that I saw. Hmm. I mean, maybe I don't have to do it for. I'm using the package, but yeah, I'm not using it for the embedded stream. Sorry. Oh, yeah, I went through all of that. When trying to do the IRC, the Twitch chat overlay. Oof. Sorry, guys, I'm really sleepy. I might actually. It's 10:30. I don't know. I might stay on for like another half hour, but uh, I should try to get some sleep. Yeah, I could do a curl actually, just to see what it returns. Oh, hmm. Yeah, it looks like it because it's providing a client ID in the header. Um, Authenticate. Authenticate API request. God, I don't have any fucking chips or anything like that. I don't have like any salty food. I need to go grocery shopping tomorrow. Hmm. Yeah, I hate taking all the kids with me, but I might have to do that tomorrow if I'm going mountain biking. Okay, so 1 second. Hmm. Oh, it did freeze. Look at that. Maybe I froze, yeah. Huh. That's funny. Oh, it's not. The lights on my webcam are not on anymore. Hmm. Where is... Sorry. Oh, there it goes. Thanks. Yes, so grabbing API key. Registering my application. I don't want to accidentally show everybody my API keys. Yeah. Localhost, category, website integration. Excuse me. Thank you, Monty. Not enough minerals. What the fuck does that mean? Hmm. Hmm. Alright, I guess I can turn this back on while I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I don't need that anymore. Oh, thank you, HP webcam able. I don't like doing work for you free, Google. Training your... Oh. That's what... That's not the error it was giving me before. It was giving me... something else. Ow. This chair isn't super comfortable for sitting in a long time. Yeah, I like to get a nice chair for home too. Come on, man. Are you fucking serious? Stop it. Huh. Yeah, it was giving me weird errors like that. Like, not real error messages. Huh. Guess I'll try it in Chrome, see if it works. I wonder if there's like a lot of compatibility or website breakage in Firefox is caused by the tracking protection because, yeah, just disabling trackers oftentimes will break functionality of a website. So I don't know if it's related to that or not, but let's just give it a shot. Oh wait, which? Oh, ugh. Sorry. Hmm. Okay. Don't know if this is going to show any keys or anything. So I'm just gonna put the stuff in my last vault. Secure notes. And another one for the client secret. Okay. Now, so I forgot what I was doing. This was kind of a pain last time. Sorry. I should just need the. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about best practices for storing credentials in a JavaScript app. Because with the Python projects, usually they use like a .env file. Env file. I hate to get out so soon, but I'm getting to the point of sleepiness that I'm not really effectively digesting this information. My eyes are starting to glaze over when I'm reading. So, yeah, I was kind of planning on streaming longer tonight, but Yeah, I'm tired. Um, uh, yeah, so the next stream will be Tuesday. Uh, Tuesdays and Thursdays, I usually do something shorter because I do, it is a work night. So, like, usually 7 to 9 Mountain Time. So, this is what I have a back end. The app? No, I mean, oh, thank you. Arf, 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 and fire copy. Um, it might already, I think GraphQL, I think is, yeah. Uh, I don't really need a back end, but I don't know. No, is the short answer. Hmm. Yeah, and I'm after working through this new uh, JavaScript library tonight. I'm kind of wondering if I remove that part, then I can just make this fit on here maybe. Oh, no, there's better. I think there's other ways to do it. I was actually thinking just have a file that is that's not included in the repo. Um, well, I guess yeah. I mean, if that's all I need to store, I can just uh, put it in a file and import it like a variable. Import it from that file because it's just going to be sitting on a server, and hide it or put it in git ignore so that I don't actually commit it to my GitHub repo. That's the same basic idea when I do it in Python. So yeah, let's see. I'm not sure. Um, I haven't been planning these out. What I'm gonna be streaming because I was doing mostly gaming, but I think I'm probably only gonna be doing gaming when I'm not streaming now because well, doing other stuff is more fun and people seem to be more interested in that anyways. So Thursday I was resealing my mountain bike tires on stream, which is something I've never done before. I'm learning how to maintain my bike. Hmm. Yeah, I'll look into it on which approach I should take. Yeah. Um, I've been wanting to try like do other things too though besides coding. So it's good to know. Hmm. I guess I could have added the tag web development, but to my stream, I mean. Is there not like a sorting? Sorry, my shorts going on my butt. Oh look, there's me. um, Side project Saturday. Hmm. Alright, I'm gonna mute that. What? You don't like that it's a uh, live light theme? Everybody wants to rag on my light theme. Whatevs. How do I do this again? I always forget. So yeah, I'm definitely heading off. I'm way too sleepy to be coding, and honestly, I just want to lay on the couch and watch TV and fall asleep. So thank you so much, everyone who showed up, and yeah, it's nice chatting with you guys. Fire copy, spoof, Blondie. Thanks to all for participating, and makes it more interesting for me. So solo coder. Who's a shadow programmer to live stream Shaun of the Dead. Okay. It is soft. It's actually a nice couch. It's fairly new. So, yeah. Um, let's do this.
Oh my gosh! Kimberly, choking on things. Um, wow. Holy moly. Thank y'all so much for the raid. How are you doing? How was your stream? I hope it's going well. And how are all of you? 60 or 11 lovely people. I'm good, exhausted and heading off to bed. It was great. I'm super glad, and I hope you have a super, super lovely
Oh,
sleep.
she's sweet.
Yeah, some React stuff. Ooh, fun. Web dev, I think. And thanks so much for the follow. I super appreciate it. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Yeah, thank you so much for the raid. I totally understand if you don't stick around. It's late.
Yeah.
Night, darling. Have a super lovely night. Yeah, and I'll see you around later. I gotta check out your stream afterwards.
Oh. Cool. Bye, guys. Where is my fucking window? See you guys.